So today we are going to discuss some numericals with solution from unit 3, that is carburetor. As you know that carburetor is a device which is used in SI engine. It prepares homogeneous mixture of air and fuel, and this mixture enters inside the cylinder during suction stroke. It is mounted outside the engine, and there are two important ways of analysis of carburetor. One is on the basis of considering compressibility effect in the account, and second one is neglecting the compressibility effect of air in the account. So we have already discussed the derivations. So here we are going to solve some numericals. So numerical number 1 is a simple jet carburetor is required to supply 5 kg of air and 0.5 kg of fuel per minute. The fuel specific gravity is 0.75. The air is initially at 1 bar and 300 Kelvin. Calculate the throat diameter of the choke for a flow velocity of 100 meter per second. The velocity coefficient is 0.8. If the pressure drop at fuel orifice is 0.80 of that of the choke, calculate orifice diameter assuming CDF is equal to 0.8 and gamma is equal to 1.4. So this is a simple numerical. Now this can be solved by using the equation or velocity at throat. In the derivation, we have derived that the throat velocity C2 is equal to Vc into root over 2 Cp T1 1 minus P2 divided by P1 to the power gamma minus 1 upon gamma. So this is the coefficient of discharge, and velocity is 100 meter per second. So 100 is equal to 0.8 into root over 2. Value of Cp is 1005. Temperature T1 is 300 Kelvin, and pressure SO2 by P1 can be obtained because the value of gamma is known. So by solving this, you can get P2 by P1 is equal to 0.912. Now since P1 is 1 bar, hence P2 is equal to 0.912 into P1. So it is coming 0.912 bar. Now let us calculate the specific volume at inlet, that is V1 is equal to RT1 by P1. So this is the value of R. T1 is 300 Kelvin and pressure P1 is 1 bar in 10 to the power 5 Newton per meter square. So this is coming 0.861 meter cube. Now to get the specific volume at outlet, we are assuming that the flow is isentropic. P1 V1 to the power gamma is equal to P2 P2 to the power gamma. Now V2 is equal to V1 P2 by P1 to the power 1 upon gamma. So by substituting the value of V1 P2 by P1 and gamma, we are getting that V2 is equal to 0.919 meter cubic per kg. Once the value of V2 is known, the throat area can be obtained by from continuity equation A2 is equal to V2 into m dot by C2. So this throat area is coming 7.658 centimeter square. Now area is equal to pi by 4 d square. Hence the throat diameter can be obtained d2 is equal to root over 7.658 into pi by 4. So it is coming 3.12 centimeter. So in this way we can get the value of throat diameter. It is coming 3.12 centimeter. Now pressure drop at throat delta P is equal to 1 minus 0.912 is equal to 0.088. So this is the pressure drop at the throat. Now, it is given that the pressure drop at jet outlet is 0.8 times of pressure drop at the throat. So we can get the pressure drop at jet outlet, that is 0.8 into 0.088 is going 0.07 bar. Now the equation for flow of the fuel mf dot is equal to AF into CF into root over 2 rho F delta A P F. By substituting the value of mass flow rate of the fuel, coefficient of discharge of the fuel is also known, density of the fuel is known, and pressure drop is known. So we can get the area of the fuel jet. That is coming 0.0428 centimeter square. Now area is equal to pi by 4 d square. So from this we can get the jet diameter TF is equal to 2.34 millimeter. So if the throat velocity is given and other values are given, we can get the value of throat diameter and jet diameter. Now let us discuss another numerical. A 4-cylinder 4-stroke square engine running at 40 revolutions per second has a carburetor venturi with a 3 centimeter throat. Assuming the bore to be 10 centimeter, volumetric efficiency is 75%. The density of air is to be 1.15 and coefficient of airflow to be 0.7. Calculate the suction at the throat. So this is the another type of numerical in which the throat diameter is given. So here we have to calculate the suction at the throat. Now for this, let us first calculate the shaft volume. Vs equal to pi by 4 d square into L. Shaft volume can be obtained with this. Since the diameter and length of a stroke is known, so we can get Vs is equal to volume shaft per second is equal to eta V Vs into N. So it is coming 0.047 meter cubed per second. Now mass flow rate of air ma dot is equal to volume shaft per second into density of the air. So this is volume shaft per second and density of air, so it is 0.054 kg per second. Since the initial pressure and temperature are not given, the problem is solved by neglecting compressibility. So from continued equation, mass flow rate of the air ma dot is equal to CdA into A2 root over 2 rho A delta P. Substituting the value of ma, coefficient of discharge, area, we can get the value of delta P. So delta P is coming 0.0451 bar. So this is the pressure drop at the throat. So in this way we can solve this type of numerical. Now let us discuss third numerical. A petrol engine consumes 7.5 kg of petrol per hour. The fuel specific gravity is 0.75. Simple jet carburetor is required to supply 5 kg of air and 0.5 kg of fuel per minute. The air temperature is 25 degrees centigrade. The air fuel ratio is 15. The choke tube has a diameter of 22 mm. Choke tube diameter is given, throat diameter is given. Calculate the diameter of the fuel jet of a simple carburetor. Now, top of the jet is 4 mm above the petrol level in the float chamber. So in this case, nozzle tip is given. The height of the nozzle tip is 4 mm. Take coefficient of discharge as 0.82 and 0.7 for air and fuel spectrum. Take atmospheric pressure equal to 1.01. So to solve this numerical, we start first of all calculate the density of air and fuel. So density of air is obtained by this equation, rho is equal to V divided by RT1. It is coming 1.184 kg per meter cubic. Now air flow rate is expressed as ma dot is equal to, this is standard equation. So with this we can get the value of the air flow rate. Substituting the given values, the value of delta P is obtained 4259 Newton per meter square. This is the pressure drop at the throat. Now fuel flow rate is expressed as mf dot is equal to AF into CF root over 2 rho F delta P minus CJ rho F. Substituting the value of flow rate and other known values, we can get the value of jet diameter. So it is coming 0.001244 meter, and we convert this in millimeter. So the value of jet diameter is coming 1.244 millimeter. So these are the simple numericals related to carburetor. So to solve this type of numerical, first of all, you have some idea about the theoretical derivations. Now, by using the equation for flow of the fuel, flow of the air, throat velocity, we can